Thank you.
Let me see.
You're cleaning that up, Steven.
Oh,
Hey, everyone's
yo, man. Steven, you have to see this.
It's not that funny.
Yeah, it is.
Actually, it's hilarious. It's funny. Don't worry, it's not. It's just it needs to be.
Steven, you're
How can you do
cleaning.
something that stupid and not get it on tape?
I had it on here, but we didn't really get a good video.
How do we know that's not your own diarrhea? You're just trying to cover it up. How do we know you didn't get pretty scared when we put in the firecrackers? It was like how many were in there?
I think there was 8 or 10. We didn't use a lot.
A reasonable amount. Enough. Gordon's gonna find that funny when he comes back and sees his. Actually, I think he'll find it very funny.
Yeah, I probably will.
That is messy.
I'm not cleaning it up.
Oh, Steven's cleaning it up. Yeah, sure.
Now smelling like sulfur. Yeah, it might
smell
be
like
better to close it
sulfur.
and turn the air on cold.
No, I think you guys supposed to air out.